today, hindi naman tutorial kasi hindi rin ako maalam dito. We got this drone almost a year now. Hindi naman, mga few months. August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April. 8 months. And guess what? Once ko palang nagamit. Same with this Boya compact wireless microphone. Since we're trying to improve on our vlogs, might as well use yung mga i-invest natin na mga paraphernalias. Ito, I never used this once now actually. So now I'm going to try it, pero yung lighting system yata yun. So lighting. So, kasi hindi ako techie. Actually, di ko pa totally nagamit to. But then, let's try it in my other phone. So, check natin yung difference ng audio while using this normal phone, iPhone 17, without the microphone, without the Boya. Kasi yung Boya, it needs this kind of sa old phone natin, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Alam nyo bang sa Mac stores wala nang mga casing ng iPhone 14. Yan. So hindi ko alam kung kailangan ko i-charge to o dito na siya mag-charge directly. Insert lang to. Buti may phone pa ang ganito. There you go. Ah yes, it's also found. So with this Wi-Fi, I suppose Bluetooth to. Pero connected naman na siya. Wait, try ko ulit disconnect. Ganun. So baka mamaya I need to charge this pa. Hindi na siya nag-appear. Okay lang ko siya i-charge kasi meron ditong strange na nandito. So I guess kailangan ko siyang i-charge muna. So for now, parang hindi siya nag-ubra. I-ano ko na lang muna. Charge ko muna. So dito muna tayo, balik tayo dito sa ating drone. Galing. Pero i-try ko na muna. Malay mo may ano naman. Separate noise reduction button. Meron siyang ganun. Separate noise reduction button. Type C charging port. May Type C siya. Charging port. Type C na pala to. Noise reduction. Power on. Noise reduction natin. So I'm going to try to use this here. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3. So ito yung with the this video is for the with the microphone and this one is without. So check natin kung yung difference if this is working really. Kasi I might need to charge this first. Pero naka-blue naman siya, may blue lighting. Ito din meron, so I suppose it's working. So magpalit muna tayo. Ito naman ang gamitin ko. Ciao. See you in a bit. There we go. So we're using this with the Boya na microphone for noise reduction. Let's try to open this ulit. It's been a while na na-open ko to. May phone tayo dito. Might as well use this. Katapos ko na mag-bike. And nag-walking din tayo for 40 minutes. Nag-bike tayo for 30 minutes. And we're back. So let's try to unbox this. Nabuksan ko na nga ito dati. And ito yung ating kompleto naman yung gear. Kasi na-trauma na ako nung unang gamit natin ito kasi nabagsak ko siya. Hindi ko siya makontrol na tatense ako that time. So let's hope na kompleto po ang gears na ito. Ito. Hindi ko na matandaan. Dito yung ito yung stand yung lock ng control here. Kasi I'll be needing this yung phone naman din for the control pad. Alright. So, insert natin this to this. There you go. And then this. Tapos, I need to use my other phone. Tama. Kasi, meron naman na tayong app dito. Which is here. Kaya muna natin kung naka-charge pala yung ating diba? Ito na naman ako, natetense na naman ako. Ito, DJI Fly. Fly as you are. Naka-logged out tayo. Meron ito, yung holder na. Meron kasi yung gantong kasama na yung screen. But this one, what we have is yung without the screen na kailangan mong i-attach yung phone mo so you can use it. Wait. Pero, wait I might need to remove yung ating casing kasi auto-download. Wi-Fi only. Update na tayo. Yung network, yung app, update na natin. Downloading. Tapos, masyado kasing take ito Nakakatakot gamitin. Pero, since we're upgrading on our vlogs, as I've said earlier, kailangan kong mag-innovate 10%. Hindi ko nga matanggal. Tenso. Kasi fragile. There you go. Yung casing natin, nung natin sa online. Hindi ko siya mahugot. Sana nag-improve na itong aking audio. There you go. Check natin kung charge to activate the battery before using for the first time. I charged it already. And let's see if it still has charge. Ito na naman ako. Check na natin kung 35%. Okay, done. Firmware downloaded. Make sure device battery level is above 20% during update. Okay. On na natin. On. Connection guide. Ito kasi ang daming DJI Flip firmware downloaded. Install. Use portrait mode for you need more battery to fly closer. Parang di yata naka-on. Wait. Hindi ko nakatanggal yung there you go. Ito fragile dito yung lens. Once na hindi mo na siya na papa-move with the control, hindi na siya gagana. Connection guide, connect, allow. Ayan may connect, allow. Press and hold power button for 3 seconds to confirm connection. Power hold button. 1, 2, 3. Connect. 1, 2, 3. Siguro lobot yung 1, 2, 3. Connect. Ito na. Kailangan natin ng rescue guidelines tutorial. Siguro hindi siya naka-charge. Wait muna.
Longer periods of time and not have to transfer off the drone. With the DJI Neo,
I'm watching
you
yung
don't have this. So this is a huge
guide
advantage of this drone. Now the USB-C is used for a few reasons. You can plug this in and actually charge the battery that's on the drone, or you can plug this into your computer and you'll be able to pull all footage off the internal memory as well as.
So, tinry ko na. Pwede palang makontrol din to. Using lang yung buttons here. May buttons, 2 buttons to.
4 meters. Droning. 3, 2, 1. Unable to take off. Aim camera at subject first. 4 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1. Unable to take off. Aim camera at subject first. 4 meters. Droney. 3, 2. Unable to take off. Aircraft in motion. 4 meters. Droney. Unable to take off. Make sure aircraft is level. Aircraft will power off in 5 seconds. Press any button on aircraft to cancel.
Hirap. Wait lang. Ay, nauubusan ako energy. So after viewing yung tutorial try natin yung mode nito na follow. Na check ko na yung how to press the button sa functions niya sa mode. Ngayon, try natin kung nagagawa ako. So, na-press ko na yung mode niya dito. Drone. Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Ito yung isang mode for follow. Pero may... Ito, this is exactly the follow. So, lagyan lang sa palm. And then, press the power mode for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Ayan. Tapos follow na siya sa atin. Is it? Yes, it is. Natetense ako. But I hope it's working. Yes, it is, I think. So it's following us. Tapos, para i-set siya na mag-stop, you just have to face it again. And then it will follow you. Mode lang. Then it will find your palm. That's it. It worked. Gumagana pa siya. Amazing. Second time ko na ride this. Actually, ito wala lang audio. But then, it works. So, try natin ulit yung mode. Droney. Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Follow. Droney.
Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track.
Follow. Tapos 1, 2, 3.
Follow. 3, 2, 1. Unable to take
Ay,
off.
sorry.
Aircraft in motion.
Okay. Kailangan lang still ka. Sorry. Hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Follow. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, there you go. It's moving. It's following us. Kung saan tayo nakadre. Actually, ko lang na discover na pwede pala to na hindi mo gamit yung control panel or even your phone. Diyan lang sa switch modes na pwede na. So it can follow you. Ito yung track na follow. Galing, no? High-tech. Hindi ko siya matatry na ilang months kasi natakot ako, but then now, sayang naman kung hindi ko siya i-maximize na gamitin. And now I'm happy I was able to do it. Ngayon, stop natin. Face it, 1, 2, 3, then follow. Tapos hold your palm. It will go down. Nice one. Ngayon, there's another mode, yung circle. Try natin yung circle. Wait, layo tayo ng konti kasi yung circle niya ay may measurement. Dapat sa open field ka talaga. There you go. Kasi baka tumama doon sa may puno. So yung circle,
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
na-medium ko ulit. Wait, hold ko ng 3 seconds eh. Sige, try natin as medyo mas malayo ng konti. I hope nakikita yung audio ko. Yun na pipick yung audio natin. Ito yung follow. Yung may circle naman, yung magsi-circle siya around you. Yun yung i-aim natin this time. After this, cycle. Okay. I'm back. Wait. Come here. Hold it. There you go. So, yung isang mode, circle. Joni. Circle. Circle. Tapos, try natin na
2 meters. Circle. 3. Unable to take off.
Sorry.
Aircraft in motion.
2 meters. Wait. Natatense ako. Kailangan kong balikan yung Wait. Sige, let's try yung circle. I guess yung circle kapag so, balikan ko ulit. And we're back. Chinek ko ulit yung video tutorial. So, yung isang mas madali pa na mode is yung spotlight. Kasi it will just follow you. Frontal naman. Let's see. Rocket, yun yung sa taas. Try nga natin yung rocket. 2, 3.
Rocket. Unable to take off. Charge battery. Warm up battery before use in low temperature environment.
Lobat na.
Spotlight.
Spotlight na lang. 1, 2, 3.
Spotlight. Unable to take off. Charge battery.
Battery talaga. Lobat na. So at least I'm moving. Okay, I need to charge this. At least I'm happy today kasi nagamit na natin ulit ang ating ultralight 249 grams. So to close this, just need to fold.
Aircraft will power off in 5 seconds. Press
This.
any button on aircraft to cancel.
Yan, then charge na natin. Tapos on another day, we'll try it again. Ciao, ciao. Keep safe. Okay. There's always something to learn. And this is one thing that I've learned today. Now, I'm going to use this often na. Kasi sayang naman. Yung mga gadgets na binibili natin, i-invest natin, tapos di naman natin ginagamit. Kasi minsan nag-point and shoot ako. Madalas. So for now, just keep safe. Always remember, panatili malinis sa puso para sa maliwalas sa buhay. This is your Kuya Al saying goodbye. Please like and share our videos and keep on watching them and hit the bell button para updated kayo sa lahat ng ating ganap. Ciao, see you. Peace. Charge ko na muna.